understand.
It's all good. All right, this is the Haviland Court property. There's going to be a few access cutouts here that they had to do to get the new pipes run in. So here are two. This one is about, I'd say about 18 inches by a foot. Similar size down here, and then maybe slightly smaller there. These are all in the little hallway leading to the kitchen. We'll come in. I don't recall if there's anything under this sink. No, looks like for the most part they'll be able to thread in the lines without doing anything there. In the second bedroom, pretty good size cutout, maybe 2 by 2 up in the ceiling. We'll need popcorn retexturing, paint to match as best as possible. Again, a look at the ones here in the hallway, same ones we just showed you. Oh, and above is another good size segment, probably 2.5 by 2.5 foot popcorn texture as well. Into the living area, 3 little spots, maybe 2 foot by 1 foot, 8 inches by 8 inches down below, and another one that's maybe 2 foot by 18 inches, all there. Leading out of the master, I would say about 1 foot by foot. Underneath the sink, about 1 foot by 8 inches. That's in here, thankfully. And we'll come back over. That's already an access panel, so we're good there. Just kind of come back through, see if there's anything else. They cut something out over here in the laundry room, but oh yeah, that above. That's going to be covered by a panel here anyhow. And then above, we're looking at, once again, about 2 by 3 foot up above, popcorn texture. And that should be it.